Good morning to everyone. I'm Fatma Nida from Plus One Science. As a part of Science Learning Carnival, I'm presenting a topic on electronic waste management. It is a serious problem in our day-to-day life because of the fast development of science and technology. Nowadays, we are using different kinds of electronic devices, but we don't know how to handle due to this problem. In our surrounding, e-waste is gradually increasing. E-waste is the one of the rapidly growing environmental problems of the world. Electronic waste describes discarded electronics or electronic devices. Used electronic devices is destined for refurbishment, reuse, resale, and salvage recycling through the material recovery and disposal is considered as an e-waste. E-waste is a general term. It can be considered to the items like TV appliances, computers, laptop, mobile phones and white goods. For example, refrigerator, washing machine, dryer, toaster, kettle, etc. The importance of e-waste is when improperly disposed heavy metals, plastics, glass in e-waste, it can pollute the air or sweep into waterways. Recycling e-waste is significantly decrease the demand of mining heavy metals and reduce the greenhouse gas emissions from the manufacturing virgin material. There are three types of an e-waste. First one is major appliances, for example, refrigerator and washing machine. Next one is small appliances, for example, vacuum cleaner and dryer. And last one is computer and telecommunication devices, for example, laptops and mobile phones. Next I am talking about sources of e-waste. Waste is generated from the product and used for data processing, such as computer. Computer devices like monitor, speaker, keyboard, printers, etc. Electrical devices used for entertainment, such as TV and DVD players. And equipment or devices used for communication, such as mobile phones and landline phones. And household equipments, for example, refrigerator, washing machine, microwave oven, etc. And last one is audio and visual components, for example, VCRs and stereo equipments. Next, I am talking about effect of e-waste management. Waste is negatively impact with the soil, water and air. Next, I am talking about effect of e-waste management. E-waste is negatively impact with the soil, water and air. E-waste have damaging effect on soil regions. E-waste breakdown, it releases toxic heavy metals. A heavy metals includes lead and arsenic. A toxic heavy metals leaches into the soil. It influences the trees and plants which are growing in the soil. Waste management is an important issue that needs governmental actions too quickly. Not only for today, it will be dangerous for our future generation also. So my dears, I am concluding my words by saying that how can we reduce e-waste and its hazards? Sell your old electronics, donate your old electronics, maintain your electronics, repurpose and re-evaluate, and recycle and dispose e-waste properly. Thank you.